Namaskar. Before I made which video, I already discussed about the responsibility of the laundry manager. Then also one more department is there. There's a spa manager. Spa manager or spa doctor are responsible for their spa. All those things they are doing. Then we will come under by the housekeeping manager. Housekeeping manager is a responsible guy who is taking care and take the training of the various types of that housekeeping executive. In that, sometime public area executive, then a room area or floor area executive, and this whole overall housekeeping decks and store executive. This all executive give them train and discuss with them job responsibility. All those things he is discussing, that housekeeping manager, and he is the taking care of the various types of inventory, store, stock, all those things. Then come to the executive. We can say that housekeeping executive is the responsible for the mainly the room quality, that room standard, and he's trained their supervisor and their associate means GSA. And the housekeeping executive is planning for the some time of the activity and gaining the knowledge, all those things. He is responsible, and he is taking care of the various types of inventory. And then the coming to the supervisor, and there are so many types of supervisor. Floor supervisor is taking care of the various types of room, the room quality, room checking, room releasing, and giving the job order, maintenance call, all those things he is doing. And then we are coming under by the one more thing. What is that floor supervisor is mainly responsible for the checking the room and releasing the room on time, defect free room for the guest, and guest can come and they are feeling the comfort and feel home away from. This is the mainly responsible for the floor supervisor, and he is the taking care of the some initiative, various types of inventory, the linen inventory and the cloth inventory. Then that all and we can say that he is taking care of that the inventory of the accessories or asset inventory. All those things he is taking care, and he is also train the people or train the associate, and this is the responsibility of the floor supervisor. Then we can come to the public area supervisor. Public area supervisor is responsible for the public area. Public area is a place where the guest can come, and there is the main point of view. We can say that if the area is clean and perfect, neat and clean, then guest impression will be good. And in hotel term one, what we know, the first impression is the last impression, so it will make very happy to the guest. So they are very responsible, and they are taking care of the various types of conference and meeting, all those area responsibility there. Public area is the very important things, and they are responsible for that, and he is making sometimes the duty roster of the public area guy or the public area GSA, public area attendant. Then we will come to that store supervisor. Store supervisor are generally all hotel not there. The desk control boy or desk control supervisor is your desk attendant is the responsible for the store supervisor. Store supervisor is responsible mainly, he is ending the housekeeping supplies, amenities, chemical, all those things, and that equipment, tools he is ordering, and he is managing, and stock, part stock, he is taking care of all those things. Then we can come to the desk control supervisor. Desk control supervisor is the supervisor who is mainly responsible for the housekeeping decks. Housekeeping decks, he is attending all the guest call, and he is forwarding the message to the particular supervisor or particular person, and he is taking the various types of he's the heart of the hotel. Sometimes we can say he's the or he or she is the heart of the housekeeping department also. All the information he is gathering and she is gathering, then she is dividing particular person, and his responsibility of the knowledgeable all those rooms, room tariff, and the amenities, all those things. Responsibility is the desk control supervisor, and these all things are basically is there. Then under by the supervisor, that GSA is there. GSA means guest service associate or room attendant, we can say the room boy. They are taking care, or their main responsibility is the cleaning the room or making the room defect free room for the guest. And one more thing, what they are doing, they are doing all those things for making happy to the guest, and property area, room, all those things they are cleaning properly. This all these things. Then under them the trainee GSA and trainee various staff of trainee are there. That's all we will discuss the another chapter. This is the main things in a housekeeping department, and so many things is there. The important things I already told. And in the housekeeping department, some hotel has that minibar also there. What is minibar is a process which is generally one small fridge is there all the rooms, and in the rooms so many liquor item, cookies, chocolate, all those things should be there, and it should be chargeable basically for all the guests, and some of the guests or some of the guests for that the complimentary also is there. These all things are the these all things is there. This is the main things or important thing in the housekeeping department I already told. Then also one by one when we will come to the chapter, we will know all those things. See, basically in my channel I am from I want to discuss in the important department in housekeeping, and I am the specialization in housekeeping, so I will discuss all those things from the housekeeping, and I will tell for the first of all I will discuss all the department basic knowledge. After that I will discuss in the housekeeping department or for the hotel job how much important for hotel job, what is the grooming standard, what is the job responsibility, what is the qualification for the hotel job, which all things should be important for the hotel employee, or for the growing, the communication skills, self development, all those things one by one I will discuss all one by one video. These all things are there basically I already told in this housekeeping department, which is very important things. That's only I already told, and then we will discuss all those things. And if you like my all those video, please subscribe this. Okay, thank you.